Hey Caillou, I bought all of these fireworks and we are going to launch them off at midnight.
Can we please launch them off now?
No, fireworks look ugly if you launch them off during the day. Not only that, I'm going to ground you if you do because I worked overtime to buy these fireworks. I spent $100 on them.
I'm going to vandalize the school with these fireworks. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
After the holiday.
Wow 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 wow. Looks like I'm going to be out of a job.
No you aren't, we just need to find out who did this.
I bet it was Caillou. Caillou always does crap like this.
I agree with you, look who's getting expelled. Boris, Caillou caused $2,000 worth of damage to the school. We need money to repair the damages.
No offense but, I don't have that kind of money at the moment.
Well, you better come up with it soon or else I'll sue you.
Caillou's video games.
5 minutes later.
Please take Caillou's video games and the key to my car, go and sell them. I really don't want to get sued.
Thank you, I will drop this. Caillou is also not expelled.
Hey, where the heck are all of my video games?
Caillou, you caused $2,000 worth of damage to the school. I had to sell almost everything. I hate you so bad right now.
This is worse than getting grounded.